Hey guys, Bill Soriano here, back again. Check my volume here. Um, I wanted to make a video for you guys today. Yesterday, I made a couple videos. I wanted to show you the group here, Bill's Quiet Commission System. I was telling you guys yesterday that the reason why I post everything, basically everything that I post on my timeline, I also copy it into this group here. And I do that so that you guys, once you get started with the $35 bill filler side hustle, you'll be able to use these posts as well. So you can use all of my posts. You can see here that my posts don't have any branding on them. And you're going to ask people to comment below to get the link from you. And so you can use any of my posts. You see here today, I have another small video short I posted, and I also have a longer video that I posted here as well. I like to post one of these longer videos at least once or twice a week. And so I was telling everybody yesterday in video that, hey, you get started. I could do, if you want to learn how to create these videos, I could do a one-on-one Zoom with you, show you how I do it, um, and also show you how I reach out to people in Messenger, right, to get people interested as well. And then with the lead sources I was talking about yesterday, the two lead sources we have, the Painless Leads, painlesstraffic.com, and also the Home Business Advisor. I'm going to do trainings on how best to use these as well. So I figured today, I'll just show you a real quick thing of how I'm using, how I'm creating these images, what I'm doing. So basically, I'm getting the ideas for the images basically from ChatGPT, right? So, and you could see here, I just kind of go into ChatGPT. Let me just show you a couple of my prompts here. You could copy these prompts and as well, feel free. Can you give me some interesting and unique combination headlines for my $35 bill killer side hustle that pays 80% commissions, like top 5 problems that stop you from paying bills on time and the 7 bad habits that cause you to pay bills late? These were kind of two topics that I kind of brainstormed myself, and then I put them in here, but I could have just used ChatGPT to come up with the initial two as well. But you could see here that ChatGPT spits out a lot of stuff here. Top 5 reasons you're always behind on bills and $35 fix most people miss, right? Why hardworking people still struggle to pay bills on time. 5 hidden traps explained. So it gives you a bunch of ideas, and this could basically keep you busy for months creating little short form videos and also expanding them into the longer videos. And I'll show you what I use for both. So anyway, it also gives you some more information that you can drill down even further. If you want high converting curiosity hooks, it'll give you hooks for each one of these. I'll show you that in a second as well. But you get the idea here. Now, once you've come up with the topic that you want to focus on, just show you this here. So another prompt then that I put in from that was I said, can you create some images for me regarding the $35 bill clearer side hustle that pays 80% commissions using the hook of the top 5 problems that stop you from paying your bills on time? Do one photo for each problem. Now, what was unique here was neat here. ChatGPT spit out an image with all 5 problems on it. That's pretty cool. I used that for an email today that I sent out, and I'll show you that in a second. So if you have a list, you can email that list, obviously. And then I said, okay, do a separate image for number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, right? So I got separate images for all of them there. Right. And then I said, then I used the next one, right? I said, hey, can you create some images for me regarding $35 bill clear side hustle pays 80% commissions using the hook of 7 bad habits that cause you not to pay, to not pay your bills on time. Do 1 photo for each. Again, it gave me a photo with all of them on there, all 7. And then it gave me, then I asked it to, then I just ask it each day to kind of break it down for me, right? Right. And then, so that was kind of the first one, ignoring due dates. And then the next one will be overspending, right? I'll ask it to create a video, an image for that, right? So I might say, hey, and then also I showed you the email. This is the email that it created for me as well that I sent out today. I said, hey, can you create an email listing the top 5 problems and the solution, right? So I just, got that today and I sent that out today. But let me just show you if I type in here, let's just create one here. I say I want one for overspending. So I say, give me an image for image, right? For overspending, right? I might want to put number 2 for number 2 overspending, right? And so ChatGPT will then begin working on that image for me, right? So I'm just going to pause this video so that you're not waiting for this. Okay, so you could see here that it gave me an image here for number 2, overspending, right? And it has that on there. Down here it says $35 bill clear side hustle, 80% commissions, and you can download these, right? And so let's say I download this now. Let me just give you my 3-step process here real fast. So I just call this image 2, and I save it on my desktop so that it's easy for me to access it. So now what I'll do is I'll go over to, I don't need a caption. So the other thing is it already has text on it. Now, if I needed text on this image, if it was a different kind of image, say it was an image of people or whatever, and I wanted to put this text on it, I could go to Gemini. Sometimes I go to Gemini and I might ask it to put the text on in Gemini because sometimes it works a little bit better. But as you can see here, this already has the text. So this image is ready to go. I could post it like this as an image. I could tell ChatGPT, I could say, hey, can you give me captions for Facebook or captions, maybe short post for Facebook to go with images, right? And so, see how fast this works here. And so it'll give me a little thing for each one. So it'll give me a little blurb for each one here that I can post on Facebook with the image, right? Ignoring due dates, right? That one I already did. Here's the one for overspending. It's not always income. Sometimes it's habits. If money disappears faster than it comes in, you need a backup plan. Turn $35 into income stream. Comment ready. So you could say comment ready for free PDF or however you want to do it, whatever you're offering at that time. But anyway, I can just use it. I can just use that image as is, or I can go over to Grok, grok.com. And what this is cool for is, what this is pretty cool is, if I go to Imagine here, click on Imagine, and then click on this little image thing right here, and then it says animate image. Now I can edit images, right? Or I can animate. Let's say I want to turn this into a video, right? So I just take that image and it will now turn this image into a video for me. Okay. And again, I'm going to pause this for a minute because I don't want to make you wait. Okay, so what you could see now is grok.com here took my image and it animated it into a video, right? So let's just see. See here, it's just a short video. They're usually about 6 seconds long or something like that. Now, there's no speech in this video, but if you have like if you upload an image of a person or people, sometimes Grok will take what's written on here and it'll turn that into a speech. It'll add speech to them and they'll actually be talking. Let me see if I could show you. But now, anyway, I could use this video now. I could post this. I'll use this one for tomorrow. And I can post this right on my page and also in my group. And I also have that short little caption here that I can add on Facebook when I do the post, right? So that's kind of how you can animate these videos. I'm wondering if I could show you any of my other ones here. Let's see. So I don't know how to get to okay, I'll have to figure that out. I'm trying to see how to get to the other ones. So, a lot of times you can upload an image that like I said, you upload an image that has people on it and there's text on the image. Grok will turn that image into a video where the people are actually speaking. And if it doesn't, then just down below, after it creates the video for you down below, you can just ask it, hey, can you have them say this in the video? And then it'll pop out a new video for you. And guys, these are all free. These are all free services. Right now, ChatGPT will limit the amount of images that you can create per day, but they give you a sufficient amount. Okay, they will limit that. And so this is like the 2 or 3 step process to to get these images created so that you could post them. It's very simple. But like I said, you can play around with this, can't break it, and you can create your own images, or you could just use the images that I post because you can use all of them. You can use all the images that I post here in the group. That's why I put them in the group. I mean, they're here to continue to spark interest from the people that belong, the members of the group here, so that you actually decide to get started. But they're also here so that once you do get started, you have something to post right away, right? You're going to get started for $35. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create your first funnel for you, right? That's the funnel where you're going to go and you're going to create a free Facebook group. Then I'm going to create that funnel for you where once you start posting these images and people respond for more information, you're going to send them the link to your funnel, which is going to direct them to your free Facebook group where they're going to download the PDF that's in that group with your links in. Okay. So I'm going to create that first funnel for you right away. So you're going to have your funnel. You're going to have all the images that you need to get started right from me. I post at least one every day. So you'll have your funnel. You'll be able to start posting images and you'll start getting people interested in what you're doing. Now, it doesn't happen overnight. You have to stay consistent with it. You have to actually commit to at least 90 days of this to see results. I can also show you how I reach out to people on Facebook in Messenger to get them interested, right? If you're watching this and you're in the group, that's probably how you got in this group. I probably sent you a short little message, say, hey, I got something I'm testing out, pays 80% commissions, is an MLM. Would you like more info, right? And you responded yes. So I sent you the info and you're in the group here. That's how simple it is. Now, but it doesn't happen overnight. So anyway, that's how I create these little short videos here. And then tomorrow I'll do a video and I'll show you how I create these longer videos. These longer videos I create again with ChatGPT, and also I use a site called Sora. Now, the only thing is Sora is only available, I think, to people in the United States, and that's why Grok is a good site that I just showed you because that's available to everybody, I believe. So I'll show you tomorrow how I created this video here in Sora. So again, any questions, get with me on Messenger or drop them here. If you're ready to get started, let me know. I can shoot you the link, get you started today, 35 bucks, and I can, get your funnel set up basically in 30 minutes. So get in touch with me when you're ready to go. Have a great day.